I hate dark spots.
Pag may gumaling tayo na pimple or acne, minsan nagiiwan to ng pimple marks or dark spots. And we can lighten those dark spots by the help of some products. We have Luxe Organix Whitening Repair line. This routine will help to lighten those dark spots. Here's what you should do. Start off with Luxe Organix Lemon Cleansing Balm. If you have oily, acne-prone, or sensitive skin, it's important to double cleanse to remove all the dirt and oil inside your pores. Sabi nga nila, oil attracts oil. So include this oil-based cleanser balm in your skincare routine. Now I will wipe off the balm using these wet wipes. Now my girlfriend told me that it's better to wipe off the balm using wet wipes before you rinse it off with water. Once you get rid of all the oil from your skin, it's time to use your water-based cleanser. This is Whitening Repair Niacinamide Cleanser. It's very gentle guys on my skin and it makes my skin calm. Although it says it's whitening repair, but it's not whitening, it's more of lightening our skin, lightening our dark spots. After cleansing, it's time to bring back the moisture and hydration to our skin. This is Whitening Repair Niacinamide Essence Toner. Now this is not just your ordinary toner guys. This is also an essence which gives moisture to our skin. Plus, of course, with the help of niacinamide and licorice to lighten those dark spots. And then we will further strengthen the lightening effects of niacinamide and licorice by using this Whitening Repair Serum. This is 4% niacinamide, which is higher than their previous formulation. Because their 2% formulation did not do much on my skin, maybe because it's too low. Or maybe it's just better to use the entire Whitening Repair set. Now at night, I'm using this alternately with the niacinamide serum. This is Age Reverse Serum with retinol. Retinol is one of the best ingredients to reverse the signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. And this serum is great if bago ka pa lang sa retinol because using high percentage of retinol can cause your skin to react negatively. Again, I'm only using this at night. Now as my moisturizer, I'm using this new soothing gel. This is Rose Water Soothing Gel. It also has whitening beads to help lighten your skin over time. Guys, sobrang sulit nito sa price na 229 pesos kasi kahit konti lang gamitin mo, okay na. After moisturizing, syempre I wouldn't go out without using a sunscreen. And this sunscreen is definitely my new favorite. This is lightweight, it's not greasy, and wala ring iiwang mga white cast. I'm really glad for this one because matagal na ako naghahanap ng iba pang sunscreen, tas mura pa siya. It's 349 pesos and matagal mo na siyang magagamit. It's also easy to use using a pump bottle. Sa gabi, of course, you don't use sunscreens, right? So I use this Bright Eyes Cream After Soothing Gel to help with my under eye lines. Now, expert says that we should use either our ring finger or our pinky finger in this area because it's delicate. And lastly, this collagen glutathione liquid shots from Love Supplements. Kasi as we reach the age of 25, our levels of collagen drop slightly. So using a collagen and glutathione based supplements is definitely not a bad idea.
All of these are available in WhatsApps. The link and the prices of each product will be at the description box, so check it out. Guys, if you think this video is helpful, share this to your friends and hit the like button below. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to ring the bell. And as always, I will see you in my next video. Peace!